Hi, it's Gary here from Roll Page Sussex, and welcome to my first quarter review for North Vancouver real estate. Sure hoping that you and your loved ones are staying safe through these difficult times. As you may know, real estate is deemed to be an essential service. Buyers need to buy based on the fact that in many cases they've already sold their past property and they're looking to move into the next one. Sellers need to sell based on estate sales, financial difficulties, divorce. COVID-19 has changed the way we're doing business, and you'll see that listings today have much more online information in terms of pictures, videos, floor plans. So buyers, before they take a look at a property, they'll do a lot more due diligence, and they won't get inside that many, but the ones that are probably highly motivated. I thought we'd switch things up a little bit this time, and I wanted to show you the effects of COVID-19. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at what's happened on a week-to-week basis here in North Vancouver. Yeah, this shows the number of sales and new listings, and this is for all three categories. That's detached, townhouses, and apartments. First of all, we're going to look at new listings. Kind of start out a typical year here. As we went closer to spring, more and more new listings are coming on. And it really wasn't, things kept accelerating until about the last 3 weeks, and the number of new listings went down. In terms of sales, as we got into the springtime, the sales volume was actually very good. And it wasn't, again, until the last 3 weeks that things really tailed off. And last week, we didn't have any sales. But let's take a look at the overall. So here we've broken it down by detached apartment and townhouses. This is the overall quarter, and we're going to compare it to the past 2 years. So here you see we ended up at 69, which was actually over last year and even over 2018. For apartments, we ended up at 99, which was an increase of 35% over last year. And with townhouses, again, we had what appears to be a pretty good quarter, an increase of 43% over last year, and even greater than 2018. So here we have new listings with detached. We ended up at about 130 for the quarter, which is less than the year before and the year before that. Apartments, we had 166 new listings, again, lower than last year. And with townhouses, we had 45 listings this quarter, which was about 26% fewer than the year before. So how does that translate into how many homes we have on the market right now at the end of the quarter? We've got only 277 houses, which is a drop of about 31% over last year. Apartments, just 275 available for sale, a drop of 24% over last year. And with townhouses, just 72 on the market currently, which is a drop of about 46%. Okay, so let's see what's happened with prices. With detached here on the left, we ended up at 1.551, which is an increase over last year, about 2.5%, and a drop of about 10.2% from 2018. Apartments went up 3.3% over last year and down about 3.7% over 2 years ago. And townhouses up 1.5% in price over last year and down about 3.8% over 2018. Okay, so next we're going to look at the sales to active ratio. This generally tells you the health of the market overall, looking at the sales to active ratio. A balanced market is considered to be between 12 and 20% here. Above that would be a seller's market. And below that, of course, a buyer's market. So you can see that with such a shortage of inventory, listings for sale in all three categories, we're ending up in a seller's market. So there you have it. The market is slow, but it's not dead. So if there's anything I can do for you, if you have anything that you'd like to talk about, please give me a call. Love to hear from you. Take care. Bye now.